Are you ready to be done by Dunlap? I don't know. You hesitant? You don't know what to do? Don't worry. I got you. Ooh, ooh. I'm excited. So the first step in working with me is contact me through email or on my business page Instagram, which is ShopDoneByDunlap, and you can DM me there, or you can go on www.donebydunlap.com and you can send me an inquiry through there. Now, when you do this, make sure you put your time frame, like when you're looking for this to be done. Make sure you put what you're looking for, like what you're trying to get. And if you want to send pictures, you can send pictures too. That actually speeds up the process a little bit to kind of show me what you are looking for. Now, after you do that, I'll reach back out to you. I'll set up a time to have us talk with you and, you know, give you the whole spiel of what goes down when you're working with me. And yeah, we can get started with the process. So we're gonna have measurements if it's needed. If you have a revamp, most likely I won't really need them, but just in case, I'll probably get them. So we'll get your measurements. We'll do a little mood board to get together the mood and the vibe you're going for. And then I'll get to work after all that. Mind you, y'all, a deposit is due prior to me getting to work, okay? Like once we do the measurement thing and we get a concept going, that's when I'm going to ask for the deposit. The deposit is $50 flat. That goes into your fabrics, that goes into your accents, whatever you're looking for within your outfit. All of that is taken care of with your $50 unless the stuff is more expensive, but we'll go into the building then. Now, after we do that, then I get to work and start working the magic and make your dream become a reality. So be prepared to be amazed. I'm letting you know now because it gets real over here. So after all that, I'll do the first fitting with you. After I start to create the garment, you're gonna fit it, see if you like what it's giving. If you don't worry, I can fix it up. If you do, that's it, boo. Pay for the rest, and you gone. That's it. Go slay. And make sure you tag me because I love a good tag. Okay. Oh, not my necklace and my shirt. But yeah. So that's kind of the process in a lump sum. And the fittings are lit if you're local. I'm just letting you know that now. I have a little wand, a little razzle dazzle. It'll be a little vibe. No. So yeah. I can't wait to work with y'all. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, that is the process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Like, I'm here to answer any questions you may have, and let's get to work, y'all. Like, I'm here for it. I'm really ready now. Like, I do local designs for people, but I'm ready to venture out. So this video, hopefully it helps you if you're not in the DMV area. I still can do virtual fittings with you and stuff like that. Like, we can still get it popping, so don't be discouraged. But yeah, can't wait to work with y'all soon.
She hate I'm on prescription, girl, but that's what I've been on. Now I got your attention, I will never do you wrong. I got the purest of intentions.